the purpose of stapling at the ends?
Yeah, the main purpose of stapling at the ends is to make sure everything is firm and fixed in place before weaving takes time. It's one way of arranging. The advantage with that purpose is that it helps the weaving to be firm. This kind of weaving is called wicker, but the material itself that I'm using right now is called split cane. So that's the purpose of stapling.
So it makes everything firm
Yeah, it makes everything firm and organized.
and organized.
Yeah, because what will happen after this, we are going to put mahogany beam. We're going to put mahogany beam timber around this once it's done.
That's
then-
going to be beautiful.
Definitely. And then the client has a choice if they would want it just with a natural cane on top, or they would want the tabletop to have a glass panel. Usually, one of the advantages also with the glass panel is it helps to protect the cane from liquids. Because this kind of table, you can use it for coffee or just some normal meals. The kind of table we are making is specifically for the living room. Now, this kind of work that I'm doing right now, just like my wife Sandy was saying, it takes time. This one, for me, it will take like 2 days, minimum around 48 hours for it to be done. Thereafter, we will we'll fix it. We'll fix all the corners and the sides with mahogany beams. Just like I said, it's always you always make sure you have water on top, such that it becomes easier when doing the weaves. Because with dryness, it becomes difficult to shape. I just started it. Right now we are nearly quarter done.
Do most of your clients want the glass put on top?
Yes, okay, those were, some clients say they have destructive kids. So they would prefer having the glass top and, okay, I'm talking about mostly individuals, but with, I noticed with most hotels, they prefer it natural, just varnished and that's it.
But with individual families, most of them want the glass so that easy to clean and their children cannot pick at the cane. Is that correct?
Yeah, but I still tell them the panel or without, this product is very, very durable. But now the glass that we put on top is 4 millimeter. No, sorry, 6 millimeter. It's a high tempered glass, which means when it breaks, it just shatters.
Right.
Yeah, that's the kind of glass we put. And then the glass panel has to be transparent enough so that these patterns can be seen we've never had any clients tell us to put maybe like bronze or tinted glass. So mainly we just put the transparent glass as it is. You know? So there are also two ways we can do this kind of design. You can either use the flat cane or the rounded one.
So you're using flat cane, is that
Yeah.
correct?
Yeah, right now we're using flat cane. But as time goes by, the next video we'll also upload how the rounded cane looks like. The advantage with the flat cane is that tablewares easily balance or recess as compared to the round ones.
Well, it's looking very, very beautiful.
Yeah, actually, whenever I use natural material, now this is a natural material that you're using. Thank you so much. So the teachers here again have to force to add some more water.